Hello there, Telly from SevereWeatherTV.com bringing you the latest in tropical cyclones and the multi-day United States severe thunderstorm outbreak that has got right around the corner, basically. So, cyclone-wise, no active storms, but this medium chance of tropical cyclone formation and this low chance of tropical cyclone formation. And since there's so much US stuff, we're going to jump on over to that. So right now, as of today, the most recent thing was 21 hours ago, so today's threat has not yet kicked off. Let's talk about what's in effect right now. Mesoscale discussions are in effect, one of them for Texas and parts of Oklahoma, talking about watch unlikely, 20% insurance chance on that one, and this area up here, watch unlikely, 5%. So that's the current threat, so nothing at the moment is actually happening. But yes, there's lots of stuff coming. So this is SevereWeatherOutlook.com. This is the experimental feature where it will tell you your outlook for your area. Right. So for instance, Dallas, Texas has a 5% chance of hail and wind today, and then a 5% chance of some sort of severe risk tomorrow. So this is a site that I'm working on. And then at some point, if you read it, it says if your location was detected incorrectly. There's currently no way to fix that. So hopefully I'll have that fixed tonight or tomorrow. We'll find out, though, if that actually happens. So in general today, the highest threat is 15% chance of hail, 15% chance of winds. Today is not so much of a tornado threat. That really kicks off tomorrow. So let's look at the specific maps. This is the map showing the probability of 58 mile per hour and greater winds. Here's your 15% chance. There's a 5% chance over there. Here's a map showing the probability of 1 inch or larger hail, again with the 15% chance, and quite a few states touched by that. And then tornado chance, it's only 2%, but it is quite a large area of coverage on that. So tomorrow is when this multi-day event really kicks off. So there's two different things to talk about with tomorrow. Both you've got this 45% chance, which is pretty high. It goes as high as 60%, and frankly, tomorrow, I wouldn't be terribly surprised if they would increase some areas to 60%, but we'll see if that happens. And then there's this huge black hatched area. So if you go on to read the thing down here, strong tornadoes appear possible. However, they've also been talking about the potential for very large hail. So you don't know with this outlook since it's tomorrow's outlook, but when tomorrow rolls around, they break it into the tornado, hail, and wind probabilities. So this black hatched area could potentially represent the threats of strong tornadoes, which would be EF2 or greater on a scale of EF0 to EF5, or it could be very large hail, which would be 2 inch or larger instead of just 1 inch or larger. Could also be significant winds, which would be 75 miles per hour and greater instead of just 58 miles per hour and greater. So this black hatched area, some of it hopefully none of it is strong tornadoes, but since they're putting that in the outlook, but possibly not all of this area is the strong tornado. It might be the very large hail risk, but we'll find out tomorrow. Day after that, April 28th, again, where you've got the 45% chance and then the black hatched area, and again, it could be very large hail. But if you scroll down again with the strong tornadoes, so this could be EF2 and greater, an EF2 and greater tornado threat with that. And then in the medium range, there's even a threat on day 4, which would be April 29th. So really, it starts today, but it really kicks off tomorrow with tomorrow's outlook area and quite a few states impacted. So if you're anywhere in here, you should be paying attention this weekend to find out what's going on. And again, which tab is it? There it is, SevereWeatherOutlook.com, experimental feature. You go there and it will tell you what your specific outlook is. Right. Some of it's broken though. Don't click on that. That points to a broken place. I'll fix that at some point in the future. Right. SevereWeatherTV.com is a webpage that you can go to find links to click on about earthquakes, which we don't even talk about anymore, and weather and droughts. Don't talk about droughts. Definitely are not talking about winter weather anymore either. Anyway, that is it for today. Have fun.